Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you that how you can add the coupons for your products in the WooCommerce and WordPress. So to create the coupons, you can go to your dashboard and click on WooCommerce and coupons button.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And here in the coupons button, you can click on create your first coupon. And in the coupon here, you can add the coupon like for example you can add free for first, and you can also add description like free order for 100% discount up to $100 on your first purchase. And here we can also create a discount type like percentage discount, fixed product discount, या fixed card discount. We can create on fixed card discount and the coupon amount to be 100, as we have entered that discount up to $100, and we will click on allow free shipping if we are creating a coupon which will allow the customers to get free shippings on all products they are purchasing. So we'll also add and free shipping on your first order. Now here coupon expiry, this is optional to add the coupon expiry, as if we don't want this coupon to be expired. Now in the coupon usage restriction, we can also add the minimum spend like to be $99 and maximum spend to be no maximum, and individual use only, it can be used individually. And products, we can also add the specific products for this coupon to be applied. Any category allowed, emails, no restrictions. Usage limits, it is the usage limit that we want our customer to be used. Usage limit per coupon is unlimited, but usage limit per user will be 1, because when a person will apply this coupon, he will become the old user and will not be able to apply this coupon again. So you can click on publish button. Now here our coupon has been published. So to check the coupon, we will open our store and here we will add this product to our cart. And here in the cart button, we can just apply the coupon code free for first. So here our coupon discount has been applied, like coupon minus $100, which we have done. You can see our coupon has been applied, and when we will select the one course, it will minus $99, and it will cost $00 to the customer, because we have added minimum spend to be $99. We can also add minimum spend to be $100, so that customer need to purchase 2 courses. So now if we click on update cart, you can see, sorry, it seems the coupon free for first invalid. It has now been from your order. it will not be applied because we have not created an order above $100. But if we click on up button and click on update cart, now we can add free for first coupon. You can just see here. But if you click on one and update cart, it will be removed. So we apply the coupon and click on proceed to checkout. Here we have applied the coupon that we know, and we have already applied this coupon, but it is the one quantity, so we have to multiply it by 2, and here you can proceed to checkout, and there you can enter the product code, and the coupon code has been successfully applied. You can see minus $100. So now we can continue the payment. So in this video we have learned that how we can use coupon codes for our customers.